Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Thursday 30th. Tomorrow we have a Varalakshmi Vratam puja. So I started doing a basic cleaning. So I started with my fridge. The fridge was a little messy. So I started with that. So I started washing the fridge items. So I'm using little warm water here along with shampoo. So I've used a shampoo and I've washed it well here. So whenever you're washing the fridge item, make sure that you wash it in a warm water along with the mild shampoo. It will help you in cleaning very easily. So now I kept everything outside, let the water drain out so that I can just wipe it and rearrange in the fridge. I have taken the cloths out of the machine. So today nobody wanted to eat breakfast, so I started doing juice, mixed juice of pomegranate and watermelon. So after having a juice, I just immediately got into the puja room. You can see it's really messy. So I started cleaning the puja room immediately because it takes a lot of time in cleaning puja room. So after washing the puja vessels, I've started washing out the puja room also with little bit of shampoo. I've just washed the entire puja room. Puja room is done now, so I checked out with the fridge. I've left the fridge open for 15 minutes after wiping it well in the mild shampoo with hot water. So you must leave the fridge open for 15 minutes after you wipe them. So now my daughter started removing all the pillow covers and bed sheets so that I can wash them. So she has to remove one by one. So she's gone to each room and she started removing it. So I've taken little help from her. So I've come backside. I started brooming the entire passage area. So whenever I try to wash this area, before washing, I make sure that I broom it well, and then I start washing them. So this is the front passage. So I've just started brooming. So I'm going to broom the entire building right now, and then start washing it well. So these items are still wet, so I'm going to leave it for another 15 minutes here. So we went upstairs and we started cleaning the entire terrace. So my kids started helping me in this work. So it was done very fast. So went down. I started cleaning the steps also. So you can see this is the final look of my fridge. It's done now. Now I have to start cooking for afternoon lunch also. So I'm just used 1 cup of tur dal with little bit of turmeric, onion, green chili, and four big size tomatoes. So I've boiled all this well, and now I'm just have to add some drumstick. I've boiled drumstick also separately and kept aside. So I'm using little mustard seed and zira, onion, and curry leaves. So let's fry all this together. I've used 1 spoon of chili powder. I've smashed out all the dal and I've added it here, and let's give a mix well. And I've not used any tamarind here, so I've just used a drumstick. I've boiled the drumstick separately with a little bit of salt here. So I'm just going to boil this for 10 minutes in a medium flame. So I've added 1 big glass of water also. So just check out with the chili powder and salt. So I'm adding little bit of salt. I've added salt while boiling the drumstick also. So our sambar is done now. So I'm just adding 1 big size lime juice here because I'm not using tamarind here. So that's it. I'm going to off the gas and our sambar is done well now. So after adding lime, just boil it for 1 second and off the gas. After offing the gas, just add a handful of coriander. So that's it. Our sambar is done. I'm going to serve this only with papad. I'm not going to make any vegetable today. So after making sambar, I have gone down and I started cleaning my parking area also, because parking area also I have to wash right now. So first thing I thought, let me broom the entire parking area so that I can wash it neatly. Don't make a mistake of washing the floor without brooming it. Make sure that you broom it well and then wash the area. You will find lot of difference if you do that way. Now I have soaked out some rice for appam for tomorrow breakfast. I started making some tea for everyone, and now I started washing the entire building. So I washed everything, and you can see the parking area is clean now. I first make sure that I broom it very well and then I wash it, and I started washing the side passage also. So my childrens are playing right now. It's 4 o'clock in the evening. So I've served tea and snacks to them. So now I have to go ahead with making some list for tomorrow puja. So I started making a list, and my husband will go and buy all this and for tomorrow puja. So it's 5 already, so I started doing Abhishekam, and I have to do the basic puja today. So tomorrow is the Kalsam puja. So tomorrow puja is different, but now since I washed the entire puja room, I am just doing a very simple basic puja that I need to do it. So after doing Abhishekam, I started keeping turmeric and kumkum to each god, so that I can arrange everything neatly and start doing a puja. Make sure that you wash your entire puja room 1 day before the festival, so that your workload gets lesser on that particular festival day. So in puja room door, I started keeping turmeric and kumkum. So this is compulsory. I do that on every, even for a simple puja like Friday puja also I do this. So this is a basic thing that we need to do it on puja day. So I have come to the main door. I started keeping turmeric and kumkum in the main door also. Again, this is must and should that I do in every simple puja day also, like even in Friday puja, as I told you. And tomorrow I am not going to call anyone for tambulam, because tambulam I've been giving from past 20 years, but this time I am planning to just not call anyone because of this COVID-19. I thought even I will not go to anybody's house, nor I'll call anyone. So I just planned the puja very simple way. I never done it so simple, but this time I'm planning to do it very simple. So this vlog I am making 1 day before the puja, that is on Thursday I am doing. So tomorrow is the puja. So this is a very basic cleaning I am doing this time, because I am not going in detail cleaning, because detail cleaning it takes 4 to 5 days for me to clean the house. So I've just started 1 day before. So I'm just doing a required amount of cleaning, not too much, especially with non-vegetarian. You all know that we need definitely need to clean our fridge and kitchen. So I have started doing the puja, because after washing the puja room, we must just do the basic puja that is required. So I have started doing it. So tomorrow is the main puja. I have not taken out the kalsam. Kalsam is still inside. Kalsam I'll be taking only tomorrow morning, not today. So I have not kept any fruits here. I've just kept some cashew nut and for Naivedyam, and I've just finished my puja here. So after the puja, I started making appam batter. It's done now. I'm going to keep it aside. So I started cleaning the tiles with mild shampoo and hot water, and I have to clean the gas also. The gas was too messy, so I started cleaning with some surf soap because in shampoo actually it doesn't get cleaned that well. So I always use a little bit of surf when I'm cleaning the gas. So I washed the gas very well, and I've just put a very simple rangoli at the bottom of the gas because I'm going to make a prasad early morning around 5 o'clock. I'm going to start cooking for puja. So puja, I'm just going to make a very simple prasad. And now I have to soak some chana also, white chana, Kabul chana. For tomorrow prasad, so I have taken out that also. Yes, I started cleaning the sokesh also. My husband bought all the items that is required for tomorrow's puja. So tomorrow I will upload you the Varalakshmi Puja vlog also. Please do watch it. So I hope you like this video. If you like my channel, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.